Hi everyone, I'm Anil Kumar, LLB coach and motivational speaker. Today, I would like to speak about how to write an answers in the university examinations, whether it could be 3 years LLB or 5 years LLB, how you can able to write, what is the methodology you need to follow in the university examination, and what Karnataka State Law University will be going to expect from your end. That is very important, my dear friends. So today I'm going to talk about how to write an answers 10 marks question and 6 marks questions 80 by 20 pattern, what you call. So you will have 3 hours of time. During 3 hours of time, how you can able to utilize the time for 10 marks question and how you can able to utilize 6 marks question, that is very important, my dear friends. So for 10 marks question, at least you need to take 23 minutes. Each question please take 23 minutes. For 6 marks question please take 10 minutes of time, so that you can able to complete within 2 hours 50 minutes, so that you can able to score, you can able to complete all 10 marks question and 6 marks question respectively, so that you can able to complete within 2 hours 50 minutes, my dear friends. That is very important. How we can manage time, that is very important. You need to give equal opportunity to all the questions. So many of the students, what they do, one question they write lengthy answers. For one question, due to shortage of time, they write very less answers. In that time, what you will get very less marks and you may fail also in the university examination. My advice and my sincere request to all Karnataka State Law University students is that you need to give equal opportunity to all questions, so that you can able to score very good marks in the university examinations. For 10 marks question, please take 23 minutes, and 6 marks question, please take 10 minutes of time. So during this time, how you can able to write? In the first page, which question you know very well that you need to prefer. Please prefer, first preference is 10 marks question, because if you can able to complete 10 marks question, so that you can able to cover the time. Otherwise, if you write in the initial itself 6 marks question, you will make loss of time. So that is very important. You need to choose which one is the best, very well, that you need to prefer. So how you can able to write, that is very important. In the first page, you need to write synopsis. In the synopsis, you need to mention what are all the methodology you need to write, like introduction, section, like meaning and definition, and relevant key points, and what is the case laws, and what will be the illustrations and conclusion. That you need to write in the first page table of content, what you call synopsis. After synopsis, you need to start with introduction, 3 to 4 lines, and then after you need to write which section, which article or which subsection it is exactly. Then after, meaning and definition of the particular question. Then after, you need to write relevant key points. For 10 marks question, please write 10 key points, and for 6 marks question, you need to write 6 key points with elaboration of 3 to 4 lines like that. So while writing key points, you will have connected case laws and connected illustrations, so that you can able to complete the time within the frame, what you call 23 minutes for 10 marks question. That you need to complete it. Then you need to complete a conclusion with 3 to 4 lines, so that if you can write like university booklet, at least minimum 3 pages to 4 pages you required for 10 marks, minimum 1.5 page to 2 pages you required for 6 marks. That is very important. For 6 marks also, don't neglect, because that is very important. Otherwise, you will lose the marks, my dear friends. So what my suggestion is, please write 10 marks question first. Then next is you need to write 6 marks question. You need to give equal time to all. Like as I told earlier, you need to write for 10 marks question 23 minutes and 6 marks question 10 minutes of time, so that after completion of your completion of your answers, you can able to verify once again your answer, whether it is correct or not, section is correct or not, article is correct or not, connected case laws we have written correct or not, and registration number, those kind of things you need to mention in the university booklet. That is very important. You need to understand first what exactly you need to write in the university examination. That is very important. Methodology is very important. So in this video I have explained about how to write an answers that you need to understand very properly. Without knowing the methodology, you cannot able to write in the university examinations. For this, for upcoming LLB examinations, I have made notes, study material, that have been made for 53 subjects, 5 years LLB and 3 years LLB, both around 53 subjects have been made, unit wise questions and answers. Most important questions, previous university examination questions have been extracted from 10 years of previous question papers. Then after I have made an answers, and even I have written I have mentioned even problem related questions also, and I have been answered in the notes. So if you would like to get that notes, please contact the mobile number which I mentioned in the YouTube description column, so that you can get the notes from them. So it is very easy to get the notes. If you contact them or if you WhatsApp them, definitely they can able to provide the hard copies at your doorsteps through via courier or Indian Post. So I hope this video have been clarified how to write an answers for 10 marks question, how to write an answers for 6 marks question. For 6 marks question, as I told, 1.5 pages to 2 pages you need to write, like introduction, meaning and definition, and connected key points and elaboration of key points, and one case law is required. For 10 marks question, you write minimum 2 case laws. For 10 marks question, at least minimum you write 1 case law. If doesn't have the question case law, please write illustrations or examples. So suitable examples you can able to write, and you can able to score very good marks if you follow this methodology. Definitely you can able to score very good marks in the university examination. I hope this video have been clarified about how to write an answers in the university LLB examination, whether it could be 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB. And one more, I have already prepared the notes, that also I have explained about how the notes it would be. So that also you came to know, I think, so that you can able to score very good marks in the upcoming LLB examination. If you refer that notes, that is very useful for your upcoming LLB examination. Please contact the mobile number which I mentioned in the YouTube description column. Please do subscribe my channel Communicate, so that you will notified very good videos pertaining to 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB, specifically comes to the Karnataka State Law University, Hubli. Thank you.